how to unblock someone on Instagram. Unblocking someone on Instagram is actually fairly simple, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application. Once you launch the Instagram app, this is the interface that you will be able to see. Now from here, if you want to unblock someone, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon from the bottom right, then tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side, you will see this type of option here. So here what you have to do is, if you want to unblock someone, right, you have to simply go ahead and then look for the blocked section here. So if you don't find it in this case, right, so if you're searching and not finding it, what you can just try to do is you can use a search bar, but you can see I found it under the who can see your content section. So go to the blocked option. Here you will see a list of people that you have blocked. So basically if you want to unblock, you'll find the unblock button right next to it. This way you'll be able to unblock someone on Instagram. I hope this video really helped you out. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.